This duo has my heart. I love how it gives my face a very subtle kind of sculpted, contoured look, but without having to contour. Tap your brush into the product, sweep up to the top of your ear. I'm taking this around the edges of my hairline. Then load up our brush into the blush. Look at that. I've now completed both sides of my face with this duo. I'm going to show you how you can enjoy wearing this on your eyes. It's so easy. Apply this darker shade into the socket. You could intensify that sexiness of this eye look. Apply it underneath, which I think looks really subtle yet